All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. So we have a boosted Boss 302 right now. If you've been following me, you know I'm totally full bolt on NA. We just went boosted, and listen to this baby whine. So in actuality, it's a joke. We're not boosted. Yeah, we just diagnosed somewhat what the whistling is. It's not coming from the front end of my car at all. None of the pulleys, everything sounds fine there. If you ever have one of these things are amazing. This is an auto mechanics stethoscope, and if I could recreate the sound that I'm hearing through this thing, it's amazing. It's huge. But yeah, guess where it's coming? Out of
Bellhausen.
So, what luck, huh? Yeah, something isn't right. I am catching it right off the driver's side,
Bellhausen.
and it's pretty profound. I can hear it pretty clear. So, you know, is it clutch? Is it flywheel? I don't know. We did have something really strange happen to me the other night, which was the first. Is I just did a test launch with the car. I ran out first and second. Of course, I was spinning the tires, and as soon as I hit third, the car just went boom, like it died, but it was still running. At that time, I backed out of it, and everything was fine. I don't know if that's got anything to do with anything. This is a drag race clutch, McLeod, Street Extreme. Is it hurt? I don't know. It's got no runs on it, honestly. It's got a few test passes, a few maybe burnouts with the Mickey Thompson tires, but that's it. So I don't know what it is. I'm not pointing fingers saying it's the clutch, but I just want to let you guys know that unfortunately on the upside, it's gonna put me down. I won't get to Mustang Alley. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I'll have to get it back down to Scott's, let them look at it. I'm not gonna tear a car apart. It's not up for me, so. I guess it'll give me more time to focus back on pipes, and yeah, that's it. That's it of the video. So give me that thumbs up and send me good luck. And till we find out what it is, I'll have a video around that. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.